Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMate with Unique, and today we're going to see about the basic text formatting options on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So I'm just going to show a basic text formatting options or tools in Google Sheet mobile. So I'm just going to click on this plus symbol and open a new spreadsheet here. So I just going to tap here and just type something like a text. Okay, so we just have this text formatting option. So first of all, just double tap here, just tap here. You can just see an option of lot of text formatting option here, actually cut, copy, paste and special paste. Then you just want to click on this bold option to have this bold color. You can just change the color of the text. You can see from a darker color to the lighter color. The options are here, and also the custom color option if you need. And here this is the actually full color. You can just choose the full color, which the color that you want, and also have a custom color. And also there is a option of a lot of text formatting options over here. So when click on this on the A section here, you can use italic, underline, and also a lot other more option like changing the size of the thing, text color, font. You can just change the font style also like this, and also there is a lot of options over here. So this is how you just use the text formatting tools on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.